There are two types of hardware description language used in the one. The most common hardware description language used by the IC designers. The one is the Verilog hardware description language, and the other one is the VHDL. Verilog hardware description language is used for the beginners, whereas the VHDL is used for the experts. And the full form of VHDL is Very High Speed Integrated Circuit Hardware Description Language. Initially, Verilog is modeled for a digital circuits, and later it was used as a specification language for logic synthesis. And also, it is used to design a digital circuit. The comparison of the Verilog and VHDL is, in fact, Verilog is derived from C programming language, whereas the VHDL is derived from ADA language. Whereas Verilog, it is used for the beginners, and VHDL is used for the experts. Verilog offers the two data types, whereas VHDL has wide range of the data types. Verilog is case sensitive, whereas VHDL is not case sensitive. Verilog is best suitable for low level of abstraction. For example, the structural level programming, whereas VHDL, it is suitable for higher level of abstraction where the complexity of the digital circuit as it increases, then it is best suitable for the complex digital circuits. When it comes to the history of Verilog, Dr. Prabhu Goyal is an Indian American researcher, entrepreneur, and businessman. And he initially, when he was working in an IBM, he developed called a PODEM. It's a test pattern generator. And later he started his own company called Gateway Design Automation. And initially, this gateway design automation was developed a prototype model for the products which it is a proprietary language in the beginning, but the popularity of the Verilog has increased, and it was initially started as a proprietary, then later, it was uh, uh, it was released to the public domain. The Open Verilog International was formed in 1992 to promote this Verilog as a HDL. And in 1995, the Verilog became an IEEE standard. The first version was released as IEEE standard 1364/1995. And the later, the extension was increased, was the features was the more new features were introduced, and then it has another version was released in 1987. But in 1990, the Gateway Design Automation System was acquired by a Cadence design system, and now the Cadence is the owner of the Verilog language.